We learned how to walk to conquer our space. We learned how to run to conquer our pace. As children, we would jump and climb to explore the world with no fear of time. We conquered our bodies as we laughed and played. So what exactly happened along the way? We started to sit and drive as our imaginations idled by. Trapped in the chains of social conformity, we stopped exploring the potential of the human body. Here I stand as a demonstration that you can break free and ascend out of social mediocrity. Go beyond what you've been taught. Discover your movement and explore to the top. Rekindle your childhood imagination to laugh and play, to never sit still, and evolve your body in countless ways. Let's push together to overcome the obstacle. Let's go beyond what we thought was impossible. This is the path to a world of self-improvement. This is the evolution of human movement.